friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about how we can debug in Gutenberg block. In this series I made two video, and in first video I discuss about setup and file structure. In second video I discuss about support in Gutenberg block.json. So if you do not watch those video, then please watch that video, and if already was, then please continue with this video. So sometime we get issue with Gutenberg development, like I am getting white screen. So in this I have to check what is going in the first go to console and check what is issue coming inside that. Like I may also debug log is also very important. Like I added console.log attribute at here. So save attribute is coming at here. So as I see, I am using only one attribute at here, but at here it is showing two attribute. So two attribute is because of this. It has two attribute currently. And if I talk about issue, then in the console it is showing some undefined thing, like content generated by save function. So that means we have to check inside save.js and div in tab index 0 and id block undefined. So it is showing something inside div and the toggle is on, etc. So go to save.js and it is coming, the toggle is on, and like a issue is coming from here. So for that, first we check. We can also add one thing, debug script debug true. By that we can also get any solution or any suggestion. So I am just adding script debug true, and currently it is showing only 4 error at here. Now checking, go to console shift I, and it is showing 156 error. So some may be due to this block or some other thing. So it is showing do not call hook inside use effect, use memo or other built-in hook. You can only call hook at the top level of your React function for more rules of hook. So you can also check rules of hook at here. Hooks can only be called inside the body of function component. Okay, so I think from here I am not getting any solution. So I think if we remove this, so that it can I can get only 4 error, 3 error, 3 or 4 error. So by that it is proper, like it is this issue is coming from content generated by save function and some undefined thing. So it is I am using use block props at here. So just and go to edit and save, or you can also we can also check it here. It is proper documentation, so we can use that, and use block props at here, and in the set attribute or save.js, basically it provide post content. So I think if we go to how to use block props, so it will be good. Okay, not getting exact solution from here also. So I am getting like use props all method. So we can check, means basically this issue is with use block props. So go to use block props, and after that okay. hmm. Fine, fine. Okay, the save function define the way in which the different attributes should combine into the final markup, which is then serialized into post content. Block props use props dot save. Okay, I think okay, means dot save function will be there. So okay, I am using dot save function. Now my npm is already running, so I am stopping because it is taking my memory. Now checking. Now I think it is loaded and only one error is showing, and it is also showing some error, but no issue. Now attempt block, now it is getting resolved, I think. Now I can toggle Now yes, now issue is resolved, no error is coming. So I think by that we can debug uh, Gutenberg block issue. And if you found any issue, then please comment in the please comment below, so that I can also help to you. And if you found this video helpful, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.